tons of tutorials on YouTube about how to make rant videos, and yeah, they work. But there's one big problem no one ever talks about: quality. PC users? Easy. But if you're on Android, your videos probably look blurry and pixelated, like someone recorded them on a toaster. So today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make clean, high-quality rant videos like mine. Step 1. Picking the right obby. First, you need the right Roblox game for your rant background. Play simple, clean obbies like Boba Tea Tower, Coffee Tower, or any tower obby that doesn't spam you with pop-ups like, buy 25 Robux to continue. The cleaner the game, the better the background for your video. Step 2. Fix blurry Roblox gameplay, Android users only. If you have a PC or iPhone, you can skip this part. But if you're on Android, and your recordings look like Minecraft on low graphics, listen carefully. 1. Go to your settings and unlock developer options. If you don't know how, just search how to unlock developer options on your phone model. 2. Scroll until you find minimum width. Set it to 550. Do not go higher or you might literally crash your phone. Open Roblox again. Now it'll look crispy clean, like you're playing on a desktop. Just remember to switch it back after recording, or everything on your phone will look weird. Step 3. Editing in CapCut. Now open CapCut. If you don't have my special version, join my Discord to get it. Import your screen recording. Go to aspect ratio. Choose 9:16 for shorts. Adjust your clip so it fits perfectly. Then go to Adjust Filters. Select the 4K filter and set it to 40. Switch video quality to Ultra HD. Wait for it to fully process. Boom. Now your video is super sharp. Step 4. Adding voiceover. Go to text, text-to-speech, then paste your rant script. I recommend the Atom voice. Set speed to 1.2x, enable auto-pitch adjust, and remove silence. Your voiceover will now sound funny and energetic, perfect for rants. Step 5. Sound effects and captions. Add fun sound effects like Vine Boom, School Bell, Cartoon Pop. You can download these from free sound effects sites. Then, add auto captions and position them in the middle of the screen. Make them pop by adding emojis in every line. Step 6. Background music. Go to the Music tab, select Relaxed Piano, then lower the volume to 30 so it doesn't overpower your voice. And that's it! Now you've got a high-quality Roblox rant video.
Bro, how are people scared that AI is gonna take their jobs?
When we don't even have jobs.
Like AI's over here taking jobs, and I'm over here like, take what, bro? The only thing I've got is homework and chronic laziness. At this point, the only thing AI is stealing is my sleep schedule, because I'm up at 3 a.m. scrolling instead of sleeping. So yeah, I'm safe from AI, not because I'm special.